Today we are doing a Pilates core workout that's beginner friendly. Hi, I'm Jessica Valant. I'm a physical therapist, women's health expert, and movement teacher, and I am here to help you feel strong and safe in your body in all seasons of life. I would love for you to join my Spring 2026 longevity program. We start May 4th, 2026, and it's 4 weeks of home workouts, recipes, and so many tips to help you feel your best and have longevity. You can sign up at the links below. We're going to start on your back. So this is a great Pilates-based core workout that is definitely beginner friendly, but I'm going to give you some options to progress it as well if you start to get a little bit stronger and you feel ready to take it to the next level. So you're going to have your arms at your sides. Your feet are flat, your knees bent, and they're hip distance apart. Take an inhale. And then on an exhale, you're going to curl your tailbone, and we're going to roll up into a bridge. That means you're rolling off one vertebrae at a time, lifting your hips. Take an inhale at the top, and then exhale to roll back down. And we're going to do a few like that. We have a couple purposes here. One is we want to get you warmed up. Like, I want to get this pelvis moving. I want to get your spine and your back moving. That's going to help you with the core work. But two, when we say core, we mean more than just your abs. Yes, I'm going to give you ab work, but also we need to work into the hips. We need some hip strength. We need to even work into pelvic floor. We need to work into our back. All of that is what gives you a really solid, strong, healthy core. So you're going to get a little bit of all of it with me here today. All right, so this is the beginner-friendly piece. You can continue with a few more reps just like that. If you feel ready to progress it, what you'll do is roll up with me, pause and stay here. Now lift your right leg up. This is what we call tabletop. Lower it down, and then the left leg up and down. And your goal is to keep the hips level. So you're not letting the hips drop or lift. This is a lot of really great low back and hip work. Last one. Inhale, and then exhale to roll back down. Nice job. Slide your hands behind your head. Thumbs at the base of your skull. Elbows wide. Inhale again. Exhale. Tuck your chin. Roll yourself up, lifting your chest. And then inhale back down. Exhale. Tuck your chin. Roll off. So you're trying to get your shoulder blades off the mat. You're not lifting your tail, all right? So your sacrum, your tailbone, that stays flat. On this next one, roll up, stay there, twist to the left, come to center, twist to the right, and center, and roll down. We're going to do that again. Come up through the center, but now twist to the right, center, left, center, down. We're going to do one more set to each side. Follow along with me if you want to make it just a little bit harder. You'll roll up. Now when you twist to the left, lift your left knee. Lower and center. Twist to the right, lift your right knee. Lower, center, come down. So your choice to do just the crunch or to add the knee. We're going to come up through the center again. Twist to the right, lift your right knee. Center, knee down. Other side, left knee. Center, and roll back down. Nice job. You can let your head just sway side to side. Bring your hands down to your sides. You're going to lift your right leg up to tabletop. That's this 90-90 position. Lower it back down. Then the left leg. So this is a great place to start if you really haven't done a lot of core work before, if possibly you have any abdominal surgeries in your past, like a C-section or a hysterectomy, and you're just getting started waking those muscles up, then you're going to be right here, all right? If you feel okay, then follow me along to the next level. You'll lift your right leg, keep it there, and lift your left. Now this is our starting position. And you're going to lower the right leg down, tap the ground. Lift it up, other leg, and lift. It's an exhale to lower, inhale to lift. All right, so option 1 was just the alternating march. Here's option 2. Option 3 will add the arm. When you reach your left leg out, your right arm goes behind you. Bring it back in. If you've done physical therapy before, this might be familiar to you. Sometimes it's called dying bug, but it's a really nice way to work into that core, into your entire center. Reach and pull in, reach and pull in. You're trying not to let your back arch. Okay. Pull those knees in. I'm going to take you one more level because this leads right into a traditional Pilates exercise called single leg stretch. So if you liked what you were doing, stick with it. If you want, follow along with me. Keep your knees in, roll up to a crunch. Pull the right leg in and reach the left leg out and switch legs. Switch legs. So you'll see the legs are doing something similar. You're in a crunch now, and you're squeezing the opposite leg in. So I really like to build a foundation for you so that you don't have to be nervous about jumping to something like single leg stretch in a Pilates class. You can say, you know what? I've built that foundation. I know how to break it down. 3, 2, 1. Both knees in and roll back down. Nice job. All right. Roll to your left side. So as I said, your core means everything here in your center, including hips, including obliques. That's what we're moving to now. You're going to have your left elbow under your left shoulder. Knees are together, and your feet are behind you, okay? So you have a straight line down the front of your body, and you're going to exhale, lift your hips up, inhale to lower. We're doing a side plank. So this is really great for the outer left hip and your obliques on the left, as well as some obliques up here on the right. So Pilates is really nice because it does so many things at once. 3 and 2, 1. Nice job. You can just press yourself up and give yourself a little side stretch. And then we're going to go to the other side. So have your right elbow, knees bent, legs together, your feet behind you. You have that straight line down your front. And when you're ready, lift your hips and lower. Make sure you're exhaling that air out, not holding your breath. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Press yourself up and stretch over. And then you're going to come on to all fours. Your hands are underneath your shoulders. Your knees are underneath your hips. Reach that right leg back. Lift it up and down. So this is a great way to work your abdominals, as well as get into your arms, your hips, and your back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Other side. Lift, lower. So you're keeping those toes pointed, keeping that leg nice and straight. 3, 2, 1. Keep it there. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Now, left arm is going to reach in front of you. Keep it there and reach the right leg back again. And just reach and hold. Nice. Bring it back in. Other side, we're going to reach the right arm out. Left leg. Spinal balance. Reach and hold. Nice job. Bring that back in. Now, your choice. You're going to do another few side to side of your spinal balance here. Left arm forward and with the right leg back, and then alternate. Okay, so you're going to alternate right here. That's level 1. If you want to follow me along, you're going to reach the right leg back. Hold it there. Curl your toes underneath you. And then left leg back to find a plank. And we're going to hold this and breathe. And then rock forward on your toes and back. Forward, back. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Either go to child's pose, or you can find yourself here in down dog, walking your feet out. One more deep breath. Nice job. Bring those knees down. Sit yourself back and restack. Inhale, arms reach up. Breathe. Exhale, arms come down. Let it out. And nice job. So that is a great, very beginner-friendly way to work your core with some options to work into the next level. And remember, if you are watching this in real time, I am doing my longevity 4-week program over in my Unlimited app starting May 4th, 2026. I would love to have you there. The link to sign up is below. Again, great job today, and I'll see you on your mat soon.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss new releases. And here are a few recommendations for what to try next. See you soon.